Okay, so I'm in Samantha Elsie's house right now. I'm lying on her bed. And okay, well, I'll just start from the beginning. A few days ago, I started to make a surprise video vlog for Samantha Elsie. And while I was in my dorm, but I just realized that I really screwed up. It just took a picture every 5 seconds of me, and there's no audio when I thought I was taking video. That might be happening right now, actually, I have no idea. So, I wanted to start over. It's been my first week of college, and I guess it's gone well.
You want like turtlenecks or something?
Okay, so she came in, but now she left. I don't know how long I'm gonna have, but so yeah, it's been my first week of college. I only had 2 days of classes, so that wasn't that big a deal. But she almost came back just then. Okay, so we're supposed to watch Shrek. I was wrong, we're not watching Shrek, we're watching 4 Weddings and a Funeral, and I completely forgot until just now. Anyway, the point of this is... Punk kids. Okay, so there's a bunch of kids in my dorm hall right now, and they seem to be on some sort of tour, and like, not very old kids either, like, maybe middle school. And no one told me about this, and they're knocking on my door and asking me if I'm Chad, and I'm not Chad. This is Chad, and I'm not Chad. So the point I was getting at before I was rudely interrupted by all these little kids, is that, okay, in this vlog, my very first, I would like to formally extend the invitation to Taylor Soupy Campbell, Katie Disco Bothwell, and Katie Straight Up Gibbles Giblin. After a series of long and grueling teleconferences starting last night between myself, Samantha Bobby Elsie, and Melissa Upstate New York Harvey, we decided that we would like to extend the invitation to the 3 of you to join us in video log spectacular. That's what we're calling it. Admittedly, I barely understand it, but the idea is we are all going to get together via the internet and vlog about our day and what's on our minds, and we're gonna talk, but more importantly, there's other things. Okay, clearly I shouldn't be the one to detail all of the rules, but the idea is if you miss a day, there will be punishments, but I feel like the punishments are mostly supposed to be learning activities. I mean, like an opportunity to better yourself. Doubly, there will be challenges, and we've been discussing the idea that there will be projects which we can all sort of challenge every one of the 6 people that we hope to get together to collaborate on, and for the betterment of society. If we get all 6 people together, it'll go in the same order, but since there's 6, no one will be on the same day every week. So for instance, if today's my day, today is Thursday the 29th, tomorrow Melissa's day because she still has to make up her haiku, and then the next day will be Katie Giblin, and then Katie Bothwell, and then Taylor Soupy Campbell. Alright, general housekeeping aside, it's been my first full week of college classes, and I'm really stoked about my creative writing class. Shout out to Professor Goldberry Long, you're awesome. My other 2 classes seem pretty cool too. They're a little bit drier, that's why I took them first quarter. but I kind of like how dry they are. Like the professors, like I find them kind of amusing, and I'm pretty impressed with the TAs I have in all of my discussions. So all of this means nothing to you because you don't know the actual people I'm talking about. So, and I'm not describing it at all because I feel like that would be boring. So this has really pleased no one except for myself. Alright, since tomorrow is Melissa's day and she's already fulfilling a challenge, I'm not going to pile on her, because so instead, I'm just going to once again extend the challenge to those 3 people. Just like my challenge is just make a vlog, talk about anything, boring stuff like I just talked about. If it's only significant to you, please just talk about it, please. And furthermore, just don't discount what we're doing offhand. Think about it. Think about it. Having said all that, I need to grab my mounting putty and go see if my posters came in the mail, or my textbooks. Maybe do some laundry for the first time in a week and a half, and see if I actually figure out how the washing machine here works. And, finish paper towns, which I can't prove to you I have because I can't find it. So, Melissa, I will see you today.